Okay. According to the website, this should take about 30 more minutes. The park. September 15. My last birthday. I remember that. Samantha, Carter, Benson. They were all there. Mom and Dad, too. The best part was the cake, which our traditional knife was used to cut the slices. Mom always said she would use it on my wedding day, but heck, not like there was going to be one. Everything was good until that night. Then I felt drained. It felt like I couldn't be happy if I didn't deserve it. It would disappear the next minute. Words of happy birthday and I love you became just as empty as my medicine bottle. It's like I could have just sold them at a thrift store. Everyone stopped, and then everyone vanished.
Did they?
Wasn't it obvious? The silent murmurs, the uncomfortable faces, the way they stopped talking, even just how hurt.
They didn't know.
No, I saw it. You weren't even there.
You didn't see everything. You were still veiled.
It was real. I felt it. I saw it. I even tasted it. It was bitter and cold in my mouth.
Like I said, not everything.
If I didn't see everything, then I probably would have been dead.
Being naive is only another part to living.
I know that.
But you're denying that right now. You're denying a lot of things.
Shut up! In 20 minutes from now, this won't mean anything. Just shut up!
You'll never see this again. You know that, right? No more park, no more birthdays, no more mommy and daddy.
So, I know that.
You won't even see your mother cut your wedding cake.
There would never be a wedding. If I can't keep my friends, how can I keep a partner?
But you didn't lose them.
You got this all wrong.
They didn't understand. They didn't see. They needed time.
Time for what? To continue to leave me behind, because if that is so, then that is perfectly correct.
That's not how it was.
Ugh, you act like this is easy. Like this doesn't hit me every 5 seconds.
It wasn't easy for them either.
Well, it sure was easy for Samantha to drive away the minute I came out of 7-Eleven.
But she didn't see.
Because she didn't care when I sat on the curb and cried. Because she didn't care when I walked home alone. Because she didn't care at all.
Do you remember what happened the next day?
She said sorry, but it was hollow.
She was scared, most likely. You saw that.
I don't think so. My own parents, adults, didn't even ask. They didn't even bother when I was upset.
How do you know? You only know a person's mind unless you were in it.
All you ever hear from school counselors are cliches and life bullshit. And you hear it again and again, like the ticking of a clock.
Sometimes that's all people can think of. Thinking is only the death and rebirth of humankind.
Each time, all they did was slowly back away. Like I had a disease. Do I have a disease?
It wasn't your fault.
You don't know that.
It was not your fault.
I said you don't know that.
Well, then you don't know at all.
I should have done this before.
No, you know they still care. You only let yourself believe they didn't.
I have 12 minutes.
No. You have a choice.
I don't know.
Why did they talk to you? Why did they ask how you were doing?
I don't think I know.
Out of the billions of people in the world, they chose to listen to you, to know you. And do you want to know why?
10 minutes.
10 minutes won't explain what it means.
Why does it matter?
Maybe things slip out of your hands once in a while, but does that mean you'll never get to pick them back up? What will this fix? What will this fix?
The cycle, the crash, The manic feeling of finally feeling something good just before it crumbles and every piece of it begins to crush you again. It will end.
Everything. Everything will be gone and nothing will have been fixed. Every part of you, every piece of life, both good and bad, will be gone.
Isn't that what
Wiped out. And you can't go back. All the things you could have seen, completely gone.
But that's what I want!
Is it?
I want to actually feel good.
The only way to begin to pay forward is to take a step.
Do you really think I should do this?
"9 minutes is all you have to decide.